Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new channel English Grammar A Salam. My dear viewers, I would like to inform you that I am going to open this channel for the students and the learners who are very much interested to know about the grammar points and grammatical techniques and some grammar rules which can help them to learn English grammar properly and nicely. And by following this grammar, my viewers will be benefited in various ways. That is, I would like to focus on some grammatical points. I would deliver 2 lectures or 1 lectures per week on grammatical points, which will be enriched with some rules and some methods of English grammar, which are very much important for all the viewers to learn English nicely. In the beginning, I would like to work with some grammatical rules which will be related to speaking and writing English properly. My main objective of this channel is to make my viewers confident about English grammar and skill and technique which they will follow, and by following this kind of techniques and grammatical rules, they will be very much active and careful about their speaking English, and it will be very much easy for them to write English easily. For this purpose, I would like to work with some grammatical structures. Each structure will contain some grammatical view which will be delineated very nicely and carefully and easily, which can help them to write English very easily. My dear viewers, in my section, I would like to offer some lectures to inform them how to work with the grammatical structures and how to use those structures very nicely and carefully. Every week we can deliver 1 or 2 lectures on grammatical points, and that will be too much interesting and very easy for all the viewers to follow it. And I think all these things will inspire them to write and speak English very nicely. My dear viewers, I would like to request all of you to be confident all the time about my channel, because it will be very much helpful to all of you. My dear viewers, I would like to request you to follow my channel all the time, which can be benefited by you, and I will be very much happy to work with you all the time. And thank you very much.